Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this nice quality or 4K quality look on the free version of Davinci Resolve 19. And yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, make sure that you have Reactor plugin installed on your PC. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description on the comments, basically showing you how to install Reactor. We're gonna use it for today to get some specific node. So first things first, before we head to the Fusion, we're gonna head to the core page. We're gonna do some stuff here, and what we're gonna do is Alt S to add the serial node. I'm gonna go effects, add a prism blur right to this, and then remove the blur all the way down to 0. Next, what we're gonna do is zoom in a little bit, and basically like put it in a place where our character can be seen like this. And then what we're gonna do is go to the mid and details. I'm gonna increase a little bit to details so we can give it this sharp look. So I'm gonna increase it a little bit, and as you can see, the quality is way better. And next, we're gonna play a little bit with the distance and the strength of the prism blur, and I'll do some minor adjustment and basically see which fits this image. So let's do it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of distance, and then I'm gonna add in some strength, just like this. We can decrease the distance just a little bit. And we don't want to add anything crazy because most of the work we're gonna do in Fusion. Nice, this should be a lot better. And now we're gonna head back to the edit page. We're gonna get ourselves a adjustment clip. I'm gonna put it on top, and you can barely see it, so I'm gonna increase it. Right, so again, stretch the whole clip, because this is like I recorded in OBS, so as you can see. Yeah, nice. So I'm gonna head into the adjustment clip, open the Fusion page, and as I said, we need Reactor installed. So we're gonna head to the scripts, Reactor, open Reactor. We're gonna wait until Reactor opens, usually take about a few seconds, and then we're gonna search Chroma, and we're gonna basically check this for you. If you don't have it installed, it's gonna be unchecked, so you can check it and it's gonna be installed for you. After that, you will have to restart Davinci, so Control S, save your project and restart. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a bunch of effects, and those effects we're gonna have like a little bit of back and forth between them in order to basically perfect the settings and pick something good, you know. So let's add a chroma fuse to that thing over here, and here you're gonna watch me what I'm gonna do. So I'm kind of wanting like a little bit of a white, some sort of a quality enhancer chroma thing. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, you can like before you follow this tutorial, play a little bit to know which setting does which, but yeah, just follow me. So we're gonna go to a screen, make it screen like this, and then after that we're gonna pick this triangle right here and make it white by making the red, green, and blue all the way up. And then we're gonna pick the end of this, or actually we're gonna pick the middle. Let's go with the middle, make it white as well, just like this. And then at the end we're gonna also make it white. And then we're gonna be going down and playing with first with the number of steps, and then input image gamma, and then gain adjustment before. So let's go for number of steps. We're gonna increase it just a little bit like this, and then for input gamma image, we're gonna actually hold on, increase it, and then gain adjustment before, gonna decrease. And as you can see, we already have this cool chroma fuse effect on our footage. Okay guys, so as you can see, we can go back to the transformation, and we're gonna increase the size a little bit and basically play with this until your footage looks somehow good. Okay, nice. So now what we're gonna do is add a sharpen and then a unsharpen, right? Now we're gonna go back to the sharpen, make it 1.5, like this and go back to launch. I'll make it also 1.5 and make the gain, increase the gain until you're a little bit satisfied with the look. I don't recommend going something crazy, because if you go something crazy, you basically like crush the image, make it look, bro, you look like 19 years old. That's what I'm trying to do. Make it just a little bit. Let's do one and then increase from there. But this is enough, bro. Let's not be crazy, guys. And then yeah, this looks already amazing in some sense. And the reason here we have this kind of blur effect on Lex is because in the color page we have actually the star thing on the highlight of Elon Musk. So this place is the one focused and not this. So it depends on your video. You can basically cut your clips and change the prism blur location on the color page. But yeah, our target here is Elon Musk, so we're not afraid. Okay, so now what we're gonna do to make this look a little bit better is we're gonna duplicate the adjustment clip and put it on the box. Duplicate it twice, but that. Anyways, oh my god, what's that? Let's go to Fusion page. Let's remove our effects, and then let's add a directional blur. Make it all the way the length, and then Control C, select it, Control V, do it 3 times. I'm gonna add a blur, a basic blur, and make this 2.3, make it 2.3, go back, click on the adjustment clip, make it add, and now we got this cool haze effect. However, it looks like too much, so we can decrease this through the opacity. Make it something really light, something barely visible. And this should be the haze effect that you often see in edits on TikTok and YouTube. So, guys, I'm a new YouTuber. If you like this video, please consider dropping a like, subscribing. Usually people do these effects with TOPAZ AI. However, if you can't afford TOPAZ AI, you gotta opt in for the additional methods on how to make your footage way more quality. And there is actually another enhancer that you can download for free. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to scale your videos up to 4K quality without TOPAZ AI and plus Davinci Resolve, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to do that video. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.